Hey, what's up? I'm Mike, I'm 45, and I just got back into skateboarding. It's been like a 30-year gap. I got back into it after moving to this new town with my wife and kids, and we were out getting coffee one morning, and right next to it was a skate park. My wife had actually been telling me about it, but for some reason I had been putting off trying to see it because I don't know, I'm 45 and feel like I was getting too old. So yeah, we're there watching everyone skate in the park, and I said to my wife, man, I wish we had parks like this when I was a kid. And she said, well, you're not dead yet. So yeah, so I grabbed someone's board and gave it a shot, and I've been hooked. So I'm out here in my soon-to-be work studio, and we put a 3.5-foot half pipe in here, and I've been riding it as much as I can between work and family time. So yeah, I love skating. It's a killer workout too. I've just been watching a lot of tutorials on YouTube. There's so much out there. It's actually overwhelming because there's so many good skaters out there. I've been following Chad Caruso, TR7 Skate, Ben DeGrosse, John Bishop, just to name a few. There's so many more. I've been learning a bunch. I figured I'd start a collection of videos showing my progression. Being 45, I better get moving. So yeah, a few of the things I'm working on right now is a frontside Smith stall, frontside disaster. I really want to get a blunt stall going, but that one just seems, that's a doozy right now. But it's crazy how when I first start working on these things that it just physically feels impossible that I'm gonna be able to do it. And just through muscle memory and repetition, they eventually start falling into place, and it's so much fun. So I got this video I shot last week that I'm gonna throw in here, and so here we go, post one. Peace.